I have been teaching this VIX strategy that thousands of traders have been using. You can go to ripstereducation.com. You can also study this VIX strategy. This morning when we came up, there was some taco by Trump on the weekend. So market was really gapping up. QQQ was gapping up. SPY was gapping up. Weekly is ready to break out again here. So what we saw in the pre-market was the VIX was super duper weak. The plan was if VIX breaks 20, 30, long the market over the previous day high. Watch Magnificent 7, semis and banks. If pullback on the market, watch the gap fill bounce. If VIX bounces 20, no long. So we didn't really had to go there because of the first criteria met. VIX broke 20 right out of the gate. Not only that, you also have to look what is Apple doing, what is Microsoft doing, what is Nvidia doing, semiconductors, banks. But even if you're just looking at VIX, you could easily long the leverage ETFs, you can buy options, whatever you want to trade, however you want to trade the strong market, you can trade it long. So as soon as I saw that, I told the traders it's a breakout versus 512, take it long, you put your stops under 512. So if you're taking long at 608, your stops are right under 607. Same for the NASDAQ futures, your stops are under that 512 and same for SPY. So I told the traders, amateur long, as we started to push, told the traders to move the stops up. And if you notice that at the same time, VIX started to break 20. So as soon as VIX stays under 20, we are not worried. Important thing to talk about is Friday was a choppy day. Traders usually lose everything on a choppy day. You need to know what is a good day, what's a bad day. Friday, I told the traders, I don't really like it. I am not really confident of today because market has a personality, has a split personality. Some personalities are choppy, some days are super trendy. How do you identify that? You identify from the various teachings I teach you. Is the price showing you a daily pattern? Is there a weekly pattern? Is price over the pre-market highs? Is price over the clouds? Is price over yesterday highs? Is there too many VIX on the candles? And that's what we do, like you see here. I know that it's a long setup. It's a confident long setup. And that's what was the plan in the pre-market. You long QQQ, you long NASDAQ futures, whatever you want to trade, you long it. And I told the traders to hold into 10 a.m. So hold into 10 a.m. Then we got the flag breakout. So we got an initial flag breakout. And then we started to flag again. You see this was the flag in QQQ. And same was for SPY and NASDAQ futures. So you see that there was a 10-20 flag. I told the traders flag breaks and SPY QQQ boom. From that time, SPY QQQ continued to push and run further. And I told the traders to take some off. Now, if you follow the Ripster clouds, you hold until the 512 breaks. Or, there was a little bounce on VIX at 19 area, MTF area, and it rejected 19. That told you that could get long again here at the same time when it was rejecting 19 and VIX faded. So you're supposed to stay long. So that was a simple strategy. Only 7% traders were red in the community. I'm just so proud of that. We got this opportunity today because day like today, you need to hold. You need to make those big trades. If you're trading options, you need to have those home runs so that on a chop day like we were on Friday, the loses don't matter. That's what I keep teaching the traders, that you need to capitalize on these big day options. Literally went 300% today. This one was for QQQs went from $2 to $5, 2,000 to 5,000. And when we lose, we keep the loser small. If QQQ didn't push here, we would have lost $1. Maybe we would have lost 20%, 30% on option. I still made $4 at the highs, risking $1. So that's 1:4 reward. That's how you trade SPY, QQQ, NASDAQ, futures with this VIX strategy.
Come to trade with Ripster. Join the community at www.tenettradegroup.com.